Hello everyone, I'm a field application engineer from Nuvoton. My name is RJ. So today it's my honor to introduce our NuDeveloper Ecosystem to you. So we pick up 5 related software tools and also the hardware programming devices we want to introduce to you. So first of all, let's see this NuLink programmer is our programming devices for mass production. It can program 4 chips or 4 boards in the same time. So you can see like the scenario will be like that. We will give you a circuit so you can program the chips, or you can do a fixture like this so you can program the 4 boards in the same time. And for our NuLink programmer, the feature is that we always have a control bus here so you can connect to PC and then do some monitoring to status for each slot. And next, let us look for these small devices. So this is our new product this year. It's called NuLink 3 Pro. So it's not only just a debugger and programmer or bridge. We also embedded the logic analyzer function inside this small device. So imagine that you just put in your pocket, which means that you bring the whole lab. So let's see the demo about this one. So for traditional flow, when you develop this kind of segment LCD panel, we need to follow this kind of specs and write the code by yourself to do all the definition. We develop a software tool called the LCDView. So you just drag and drop to the canvas and then click the definition into the com segment table, and then you can finish all the definition because we will generate the related header file to you. And also, when you connect to the board, even you don't have the LCD panel, you can also use the simulator. You can also use the simulator mode to find the whole picture to check if the design is the things that you want. And next is about the new environment, is that we support the Visual Studio Code this year, and we provide the NuCodeGen. Is an extension based on GitHub Copilot, so you can use more natural language to ask AI help you generate the code. And the last one is about the new Machine Learning Studio. Is a platform we provide from data collection and help you train the model and help you import the model deployment to your microcontroller. Okay, so that's all for all of our NuDeveloper Ecosystem for the introduction. Actually, these are just an iceberg. We still have multiple software tools to let your engineers' job easier. So thank you all and see you next year.